Are you wondering how to attract viewers and keep them watching videos? In this video, I'll share with you 10 tips and tactics for optimizing your YouTube video content at every stage of the video production process. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more life-changing content idea. So let's get started. 1. Regular upload videos. You might be making Oscar-worthy short films and videos. But if each video takes 6 months to produce, your videos aren't going to grow your YouTube channel. Regular video uploads at familiar times are what bring people back for more. Whatever kind of videos you want to make, choose content that you can develop and create a niche videos on regular basis, and find ways to streamline your production workflow. Whether it's setting up a studio, creating an editing template, or hiring assistants or a production team. But in the beginning you can do it by yourself with free tools to film the video with your phone. Edit and upload. 2. Start your video with a hook. How you hook viewers depends on you and your content. If your video features shows the end results first, a stunning result makes people more interested to see how you achieved it. This approach is great for DIY and makeover videos. However, when you hook viewers, make sure your opener relates directly to the subject matter. Viewers clicked because they were interested. So quickly get into the subject they wanted to hear about in the first place. You may have seen YouTubers create intrigue by starting with a story or fact that seems completely off topic, and then connecting it to the topic. This tactic works best when you already have a large audience that trusts you. 3. Keep your video titles short when you have audience. Attention spans are short. A long title of a video can cause people to lose interest. Make your video title short and punchy. Short title would be easy to understand that grabs your audience attention and convinces them to click the video. 4. Add end screens to promote your video's channel. End screens are interactive graphics that link to another video channel and prompt someone to subscribe to your channel. As the feature name suggests, you can add end screens only in the last 20 seconds of your video. So you have to plan where the end screens will appear. 5. Edit distractions from videos. Long pauses, meandering talking, bouncing from one subject to another, or just being boring can make people start looking at the recommended videos for something more interesting. Make sure your content is engaging either visually or with a story. Don't give viewers a reason to click away. So edit your video and make it crisp and sharp. 6. Design video thumbnails. A thumbnail is a most important factor that makes or breaks your success on YouTube. Suggested videos are the leading source of organic traffic on YouTube. As someone is watching a video on YouTube, your video thumbnail needs to stand out when it's a suggested video in the right sidebar. When your video appears as a suggested video, YouTube is basically endorsing it by saying that someone watching some other video might enjoy your video as well. 7. Be emotional. Excitement is the emotion that people respond to most. When we see someone showing enthusiasm, it makes us want to know why they're excited and maybe join, and so we'll feel excited. 2. Nothing sells enjoyment more than the eyes. So show an excited face and focus on the eyes. Your video will get a much better response. 8. Multiply your views by creating playlists. Organizing and creating video playlists on YouTube is the best way to minimize the chances that a viewer will move on to another channel once they've consumed your content. Why? Because playlists do Netflix rules. As soon as one video ends, the next begins. Since you've already done the hard work of helping your viewer find your video, click on it and watch the entire thing. It makes sense to guide them towards the content they're going to want next. 9. Ask your viewers to subscribe to your channel. The more subscribers your channel has, the more views your videos will get right off the bat when you hit publish. Especially if those subscribers have their notifications turned on. 10. Create captions or transcripts in your videos. Captions and transcripts are the best way to boost your YouTube videos. However, the closed captions can help to get more YouTube views through international level. Buying YouTube views may provide a quick boost in views, but it's not a good long-term solution, as behavioral analytics are more meaningful ranking factors in the eyes of YouTube's algorithms. In conclusion, no doubt YouTube is the world's second largest search engine with 2 billion people users. With this huge traffic you can earn extra money, but if you do it right you can rely on YouTube and make full-time income. But getting a lot of views on YouTube takes time. First we walk, and then we run. The platform has its own checks and balances to ensure that quality video content is reaching its users always and often. Try building an active subscriber base, and they will make up the lion's share of your views. What do you think? Have you tried any of these tips or tactics in your YouTube videos? What did your results look like? Please share your thoughts in the comments.